Let's go! Let's roll! Let's go!
In this video, I'm going to show you how to fake a focus rack. Focus racking is turning your focus wheel on your lens to go from either out of focus to in focus or in focus to out of focus on your subject. It's a really great effect to do within your shoot, but if you forget to do it, there is a super easy way to fake it. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. Here we have the same clip duplicated on the timeline. In this first clip right here, I'm going to be showing you how to go from in focus to out of focus. And in this second clip, I'm going to be teaching you how to go from out of focus to in focus. All right, so first up is going from in focus to out of focus. Let's go ahead and refresh. I'm going to get rid of my effects right here so we can start from scratch. Here we go. The first thing you want to do is go right over here to the effects panel, and you are going to look up Gaussian. Once you find Gaussian, you are going to make sure that your clip is selected right here, and you are going to double click on Gaussian. Once you added it, you can see it right here on the effects section. So for this clip, I want it to stay in focus from the very beginning all the way to about the middle, and then from the middle, I want it to start blurring out so that it completely blurs at the very end. So what I want to do is click in the middle of the clip right here, and then I want to go over to the Gaussian effect, click this keyframe, and then scoot it all the way down to 0. And then once I do that, I'm going to scrub all the way to the very ending of my clip, make sure that the playhead is at the very ending of my clip. I'm going to press this keyframe button again, and I am going to put it right back at 50%. And so this is what I have. You notice right here, that is where the keyframe starts, and then it just completely blurs. I think that's pretty solid. So now I'm going to teach you guys how to go from out of focus to in focus. So let me go ahead and delete my effects here. And just the same as the last one, I am going to click right here in the middle of my clip so that I can make sure that the first half is going to be blurred out. And once it's in the middle, it's going to start getting into focus. So the first thing that I want to do in this clip is make sure that I have the Gaussian effect turned on. And just like the last clip, I am going to make a keyframe right in the middle of my clip so that the first half is going to be completely blurred, and then it's slowly going to transition into in focus. So making sure that my playhead is right in the middle and my clip is selected, I'm gonna go over here to the Gaussian effect, click that keyframe, and keep it this time at 50%, and then go right over here to the very ending of my clip, click that keyframe, and then scoot it all the way down to 0. And this is what it looks like. That is one way to do it. However, if you are wanting to make the clip go into focus faster, there is another way you can do it. I'm just going to reset my parameter on the Gaussian blur. And what you can do if you wanted to do it a little bit faster is you click on the very beginning of this clip right here. You click that keyframe, keeping it at 50%. And then what you want to do is go right here in the very middle of the clip, click that keyframe, and then scoot it all the way to 0. And this is what you can have. And it gets in focus much faster. This looks awesome. And honestly, guys, this is really cool. I think I'm gonna start adding this to my videos. So thank you, Keela, for giving me this amazing idea to do a tutorial, because now I just learned from myself, and I think this is so awesome. I hope this video helps. If you guys do this blurring effect on one of your next boudoir videos, please tag me on Instagram. I would absolutely love to see what you create. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to y'all soon.